Is your Canon printer showing offline and refusing to print? Don't worry, here are 3 easy ways to get it back online. Method 1. Restart the Print Spooler option 1. Step 1. Press Windows plus S on your keyboard. Step 2. Type Run and open it. Step 3. Enter services.msc and click OK. Step 4. Find Print Spooler in the list. Step 5. Right-click Print Spooler and select Restart. Option 2. Step 1. Click the Start button and search for services. Step 2. Open the Services app. Step 3. Find Print Spooler and right-click it. Step 4. Click Restart. If the Restart option is unavailable, click Start. Right-click Print Spooler and choose Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply, then OK. Restart your computer and try printing again. Method 2. Turn off Use Printer offline. Step 1. Open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Step 2. Click Hardware and Sound, then Devices and Printers. Step 3. Right-click your Canon printer and select See What's Printing. Step 4. Click the Printer menu. Step 5. If Use Printer Offline is checked, click it to uncheck it. Step 6. Open the Printer menu again and choose Cancel All Documents. Step 7. Send your print job again. Method 3. Power cycle your printer. Step 1. Turn off your Canon printer. Step 2. Unplug the power cable from the printer. Step 3. Wait about 30 seconds. Step 4. Plug the power cable back in. Step 5. Turn the printer on and wait until it's fully ready. Step 6. Try printing a test page. Like the video and subscribe for more printer fixes. If your printer is still showing errors after trying all the methods, call the helpline number shown on the screen for further assistance.